So for the final common negative thinking error that I'm going to be looking at today, I'm going to be looking at magnification. This is where you blow things out of proportion. So for example, an example with this one is if someone is struggling with maths, then that equates to them feeling that they are stupid or they're a failure. So blowing things out of proportion is where you are not doing well at one thing, or you failed at one single thing, but you're blowing it out of proportion because you're equating it to meaning something completely different. So another example would be you've had a failed marriage or relationship, so you equate that to you're rubbish at relationships, or nobody likes you, or you can never have a successful relationship. So you're basing one event on a whole assessment of who you are as a person. This is particularly negative because you're also putting a lot of the blame and a lot of insults on yourself as a person. It's almost like it's a character attack. You're taking it personally. So rather than you saying, I didn't do well at that particular exam, or I didn't do well at that relationship, therefore it just means that me and that person didn't work out, it just means I didn't study hard enough, it just means that I'll do better in other exams. You are literally blowing it out of proportion, and you're saying, I didn't do well at maths because I'm stupid. I didn't do well at that relationship because there's something wrong with me and I'm not good at any relationship. So magnification is where you are blowing things out of proportion. It's similar to some of the other things we've spoken about, where one specific event or one incident, you're equating lots of negative traits to it. And this is the whole point of negative thinking. It's a pattern of you not looking at things from an objective standpoint. It's also you beating yourself up and taking one thing and blowing it out of proportion. So that's called magnification.